Welcome to Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. Far from civilization, beyond the reach of roads and cities, lies a vast, frozen continent. Earth's coldest, highest, driest, and most remote landmass. A place where nature rules absolutely, where survival is an art, and where the very ice beneath your feet holds the secrets of our planet's past and future. Antarctica sits at the southernmost point of our planet, surrounding the South Pole. It spans an area of about 14 million square kilometers that's larger than Europe, but over 98% of it is buried beneath ice. In fact, Antarctica contains nearly 70% of the world's fresh water, locked in frozen form. Under that ice are hidden mountain ranges, ancient lakes, and even active volcanoes, like Mount Erebus, one of the southernmost volcanoes on Earth. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica plays a crucial role in regulating global temperatures and ocean currents. It may seem lifeless, but this is a living, breathing part of the planet. Surprisingly, Antarctica is full of life. From the iconic emperor penguins, who endure brutal winters to raise their young, to Weddell seals, known for diving deep under the ice to find food, and humpback whales, who migrate thousands of miles to feed in the nutrient-rich waters surrounding the continent. Humans have never lived permanently in Antarctica, but that hasn't stopped us from exploring its secrets. In 1911, Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen became the first to reach the South Pole. Since then, scientists have set up research stations across the continent, from the United States McMurdo Station to the Concordia Station operated by France and Italy. These scientists study climate change, astronomy, glaciology, and even microbiology in conditions similar to outer space. Antarctica's ice contains hundreds of thousands of years of climate history. By drilling deep into ice cores, we can learn how Earth's climate has changed and what might happen next. But Antarctica is changing fast. The West Antarctic ice sheet is melting rapidly. In recent decades, the Larsen Ice Shelf has broken apart. Gigantic icebergs, some the size of cities, are breaking off and drifting into the sea. Why does this matter? Because as Antarctic ice melts, sea levels around the world rise. If just a portion of Antarctica's ice were to collapse, cities like New York, London, and Dhaka could be underwater in our children's lifetimes. And it's not just the ice. Warming oceans are disrupting weather patterns across the globe. What happens in Antarctica affects us all. Antarctica isn't just a distant wilderness. It's a global thermometer, a climate stabilizer, and a fragile home to unique life forms. Thanks to the Antarctic Treaty, signed by 56 countries, no one owns Antarctica. It's a land dedicated to peace, science, and environmental protection, a rare example of international cooperation. But threats remain. Climate change, illegal fishing, and future exploitation of natural resources could put Antarctica's future, and ours, at risk. It may be cold, distant, and uninhabited, but it is alive, and it is speaking. Will we listen before it's too late? Globe Showing Europe Africa. Subscribe for more stories from the edge of our world. Bell like, share, and join the mission to protect Antarctica.